Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at an advanced trading tool, and that is the Nadaraya. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay, we're going to be looking at the Nadaraya Watson Envelope Indicator. You can see the name of the indicator right here. Nadaraya Watson Envelope. That's the name of the indicator, Nadaraya Watson Envelope. So that is the indicator we're going to be looking at in this video. Okay, this isn't just another channel like indicator, because you can see that the indicator comes in the form of a channel, right? It's kind of a dynamic channel. Okay, it's kind of an effective smoothing indicator that helps you track trends with precision while filtering out market noise. So if you are looking for better trade entries and dynamic support and resistance levels, then this is the tool for you. Okay, before we get started, take a second to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more powerful trading strategies. Now let us jump into it. Okay, the Nadaraya Watson Envelope Indicator is a kernel regression based smoothing tool that helps traders identify trends more effectively than traditional moving averages. Now, unlike common indicators like the EMA or the SMA, which relies solely on past price data, the Nadaraya Watson Envelope uses kernel smoothing techniques to create a more dynamic representation of price action. Okay, so this means that it adapts to market conditions more smoothly and provides better trend following signals. Okay, let's just break this down in simple terms. Yeah, it smooths out, this indicator helps to smooth out price action. Yeah, and it adjusts dynamically to market conditions. It helps identify support and resistance zones that react to price movement. If we look at this indicator closely, we're going to see that the red line serves as a dynamic support, while the green line serves as a dynamic resistance. So basically, we have price always bouncing in between the green line and the red line. That is why this indicator serves as a dynamic channel. All right. So when you have the indicator sloping upwards, when you have the indicator sloping upwards, it means that it is a buy trend. All right, when the indicator is sloping upwards and you have price bouncing in between, forming higher highs and higher lows, it's a buy trend. But the indicator goes a step further by giving precise entry points. Okay, if you look closely, you're going to see these arrows. Yeah, you can see these arrowheads. Can you see that? The arrowhead, you can see this green arrowhead that formed at the bottom. Yeah, that was a buy signal. Then if you look, you're going to see when there is a sell signal, there's going to be a red arrowhead. Okay, you can see we had a red arrowhead here. So that was a sell signal. This is another sell signal. Okay, so whether you like trading trends, or whether you like trading trend reversals, or whether you like scalping, in a ranging market condition, this indicator helps you, with precise entry points. All right, so here there was a couple of buy signals because of the brief range that took place around here. You can see that there was quite a brief range around here, but the indicator was careful not to give any sell signal around here, because literally this was a support zone. So imagine selling at a support that has not been broken. So the indicator kept on giving buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal until when the breakout finally happened. All right, so it's quite an effective indicator. Yeah, in as much as it does not guarantee profit, but the indicator is quite a nice one that you might want to consider adding to your trading toolkit. Okay, whether you are a scalper or a day trader, this indicator works well across all time frames. Okay, now just for the purpose of of explanation, let us look at how to use this indicator to analyze trends effectively. All right, the indicator helps with trend identification. I already highlighted that because it's a dynamic channel, and basically when the indicator is sloping upwards with price bouncing in between, it shows that there is a bullish trend. Yeah, and then when the indicator is sloping downwards with price bouncing in between, it shows that that is a bearish trend. So this indicator helps with trend identification. Okay, and then secondly, it helps with dynamic support and resistance. The green line above serves as dynamic resistance, while the red line below serves as dynamic support. And this indicator can, help you, focus on what matters. Yeah, focus on what matters, because you don't necessarily need to trade every single move in the market. Okay, but well, if you're a scalper, I can understand that. But you can decide to just focus on trading the trends, or you can decide to focus on trading ranging markets, depending on the kind of trader that you are. Like I said, whether you want to trade the trends or you want to trade ranging markets, this indicator is still a good option for you, right? You can see that we had quite a range around here, in as much as the indicator, if you look closely, you'll see that the indicator only gave buy signals. This indicator is careful. Okay, it tries to avoid, false signals. Now, if you look closely, there were no red arrowheads on top, but we kept on having green. Guess what? Because based on the price action, the indicator was predicting an upside movement, which was predicting a breakout to the upside. And you will see eventually we had a breakout to the upside. Can you see that? So it's not just any price move that this indicator gives a signal for, okay? Because the indicator tries to, focus on more, high probability setups, right? It prefers, well, I am saying it prefers as if it's a human being, but you get my point, right? The indicator is designed to, give signals that have a higher chance of, playing out. It does not guarantee profit. It is not perfect all the time, okay? This indicator is not perfect all the time, but at least it tries to give signals that have a higher chance of playing out. And that is the reason why you will notice that there were no sell signals around here, in as much as, yes, we had some sell moves. Yeah, we had some sell moves, but the focus was more on the buys, because there was a higher chance of a positive breakout. Imagine if this breakout happened here, then your sell signal would have ended in a loss. So it kept on giving buy signal, but the breakout did not happen here. It gave another buy signal. The breakout did not happen here. Yes, we had a buy move. So even if you had entered a buy trade, even if you had entered a buy trade after this buy signal, you would have still made some profit. Even if you had entered a buy trade after this signal, you would have still made some profit. But the main breakout did not happen here. This was when the breakout finally happened. Okay, so basically, based on what we can see, all right, this is what we can literally see on the chart. You can see that this indicator is careful with giving precise signals. Okay, so that is one of the things that I can say is quite an advantage, because it's not just every price move that it gives a signal for. All right, so that's one of the things I identified about this indicator right here. Now, we have basically covered the functionality of this indicator, and if you like what you see, you can consider trying this indicator out. Okay, ensure to test it first on a demo account before you apply it to your live charts. So there you have it. The Nadaraya Watson Envelope Indicator is quite a useful tool for trend analysis, smoothing price action, and improving trade entries. Okay, whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, this indicator can help you make more informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful trading strategy. Let me know in the comments below if you've used the Nadaraya Watson Envelope Indicator before, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.